Without pause, arch the waist and bend the knees toward the sides of the body. Let the inner sides of the knees touch the ground with toes pointing outward. Rest the inner ankles on the ground while keeping the arms bent at the elbows. Spread the fingers wide into the frog-lying stance. Keep your gaze directed forward. Front view demonstration. Side view demonstration. Rear view demonstration. Form 2. Hama Quan. Toad pounces on food and looks front and back. Push off the ground force completely with both hands to leap upward. Simultaneously, rotate the body to the left. Land the body into the frog-lying stance. Press both hands against the ground and leap forward and upward.